Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We've got a 1928 Pierce Arrow Model 8. It's one of approximately 500 examples, if you can even find one. Finished in green with a tan interior and also black fenders and accents. Absolutely beautiful. It's a work of art. Look at these fenders. The way that the lights are molded right in. This is a car that they built by hand and intended to last 100 years. It's got a 288 under the hood. It's Inline-Six, 3-speed manual transmission. That visor over there, really cool. This is also a 7-passenger. It's got jump seats in the back. Gorgeous, man. Absolutely beautiful. My client re-chromed these back bumpers. I can't even imagine how much money it cost to restore this car. These are 20-inch wood spoke wheels. Look at this parking lamp. It's like jewelry. That's copper piping. That's how they did it back then. Beautiful. Signature head ornament. Four-spoke wood wheel. Beautifully done, this car. Man, so Art Deco. 20,599 miles. Man, so cool. It's like jewelry that's carved. Beautiful. Comes with these books. These are like shop manuals and stuff. Here's another one. Series 81. Here's the instructions on how to start it. Pretty simple. Yeah, it's so pretty. Look at the lock. Beautiful. Craftsmanship in this thing is unbelievable. So it's seat 7. There's another jump seat here. Man, that is so cool. Beautiful. Man, look at these handles too. So cool. Tell it's all handmade. So pretty. Brass. Stainless. Gorgeous. hand-built vehicle, Packard. Cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out tons of pictures I took today on the website, so weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.